That's me. And they're over there. We at least have a cover and like a whole, if we make a big L.
Okay, I just got ready, so wearing overalls with a pop collar, glasses, and this ring. Oh! Oh no. So since I'm at like my abuelo's house, he has a lawnmower, right? So I used it and started just dragging my sister around for no reason basically at all, but like it was pretty fun. And that head spin, we both turned at the same time. It was so creepy, and I just noticed it after I just looked back at this recording, like, oh my gosh.
Oh, no good. Or lower?
Higher.
Like this, or let it go more? Like
Let it go more.
It's hard.
So at this point, I decided to volunteer to help with the food. That's a lot of food, but... Fix it! Bob the Builder! Cut.
Same thing, man.